Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get your design onto a hat, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson direct-to-garment print technology. In order to print onto a film transfer and transfer it onto your hat, here's what you need. A hat press. Most people will use a flat heat press to cure the hot melt powder, but you can also use a heat tunnel. You'll need a DTG printer, some DTF transfer film, hot melt adhesive powder, and a blank hat. Now let's open our design in Garment Creator. Mac and PC users will have the same visual experience, so the print settings will be the same. Since we're printing onto a transfer film, we'll need to make a couple of changes to our settings. First, make sure to uncheck double strike print on white. Next, under ink density, be sure to add 15% for color and subtract 15% for white. Below that, you'll want to change reduce white area from 2 to 3, and ink order, we're going to change from normal to reverse so that we print color followed by white. Once you've done that, you can save these settings to a preset like we've done here. Next, go to Layout Settings and make sure that you flip your image. Once you've done that, click the print button to send the design to print onto the transfer film. Now we're ready to place our film on top of the platen. We'll use a couple of pieces of masking tape to hold the film in place. And we can send our job over to the printer. And once ready, we'll press the print button to begin the printing. Once the print is done, we're ready to remove our film and take it over to our application area to apply the powder. Before we begin applying our powder, we'll want to put on a mask for safety. Next, we'll place our printed film in the middle of the tub, and we'll tape it down with a couple of pieces of masking tape. Once we've done that, now we're going to apply a small amount of powder and begin covering our printed area. Once you've completely covered the printed area, we can remove our film and our masking tape and be sure to flick away any excess powder that is outside of the printed area. Once that's complete, we're now ready to take it over to our heat press to cure the powder. Now that the adhesive powder has been applied, we'll take it over to our heat press and place it underneath the heat. We will hover it here for about 3 to 5 minutes to cure the powder. For high volume production users, you can also accomplish this step through a conveyor heat tunnel. Now that the curing is complete, we'll remove our film transfer and take it over to our next press. Once the powder on the film is cured, you can trim the film transfer down to size. We'll set that to the side for the moment, and we'll get our hat ready and loaded onto our hat press. Once the hat is positioned, apply your film transfer in place and begin the pressing. We're pressing at 335 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 seconds. The film transfer we're using is a hot peel, so we'll peel it right away. But if you have a cold peel, be sure to allow the hat to cool down for about a minute prior to peeling the film. Once the pressing is done, simply peel the film away and remove your completed hat.